Welcome to our Business English, a 3-month course, tailored for professionals at all stages. This course will help you master business English. Whether you're beginning or advancing your skills, you'll receive comprehensive training to boost your business communication. Minimum required, A2. With our structured approach, you'll not only expand your vocabulary, but also excel in meetings, write professional emails, and manage cross-cultural interactions. In our Business English, you'll follow a curriculum designed to elevate your communication skills from intermediate to advanced. Here's what each month offers. Month 1 lays the groundwork with essential skills. You'll begin with basic business vocabulary, learn to describe companies, and master email writing essentials. As you advance, you'll gain proficiency in meeting communication, scheduling, and organizing meetings. By month's end, you'll confidently write simple reports and present company information. Month 2 delves into advanced topics. You'll enhance your skills in professional networking, formal business letter writing, and leading meetings. This month also introduces negotiation strategies and conflict management. By the end, you'll master creating detailed business proposals and managing advanced marketing communications. Month 3 takes you to the advanced level. You'll focus on strategic communication, building international relationships, and refining decision-making processes. This month also covers risk management, complex business reports, and leadership skills. Throughout the course, our integrated approach ensures that you're not just learning English, but also applying it in ways that enhance your professional capabilities. Ready to take your business communication to the next level? Enroll in our Business English, a 3-month course today, and transform the way you communicate in the professional world.